Hi, welcome to the Supermicro Tech Talk. I'm Michael Kalodrick, and we're here today to talk about our Supermicro X14 BigTwin platform. I'm here with our product expert, Alan Yen, and he's going to talk about the key features, architecture, and the use cases for this amazing new product. Alan?
Hi, Michael. I'm excited to be here to talk about this X14 BigTwin, which is the latest evolution of our BigTwin family. It's optimized for Intel Xeon 6 6700 series, delivering next-level performance, power efficiency, and also configurability. BigTwin is the 4-node or 2-node 2U server platform. Means you get the 4 or 2 independent dual-socket servers in a compact 2U chassis. It's high-density computing without compromising the thermal or performance. So it will be a perfect solution for HPC, virtualization, VDI, hyperconverged infrastructure, as well as OpenShift.
That's a really impressive density that you get from the BigTwin server. Can you tell us a little more about what's different about this and better about this X14 version compared to previous generations of the BigTwin?
Yeah, great question. So let's take a close look at the X14 BigTwin system. It's improved a lot compared to X13. So this one is the dual socket for higher Qualcomm, higher TTP CPU, as well as the 16 DIMMs, 1 DIMM per channel design for faster DDR5 memory and MRDIMM. Also, there is the full NVMe M.2 riser. There is the one Hardware 1 for the OS boot and the backup. And the other 2 M.2 can be write-intensive application, like the caching or metadata. In the rear side, there are 3 PCIe Gen 5 slots, 2 standard low profile, and 1 AIOM for networking that support up to 400 gigabits high-speed Ethernet and InfiniBand. Let's take a look. This our flagship 32 E3.S 2U flow node. Every single node can install a hot swappable E3.S.
Wow, those are really thin, huh?
Yeah, this has also got certification for the vCEN already. So I also want to show you this, my secret weapon. Ultra narrow power supply. Now support up to 3600 watts. Titanium level. Very unique design.
Yeah, that's amazing. You get 3,600 watts in this narrow power supply. That's really a super crazy design.
Right. Exactly. So with this power supply, unique design, so we can have the DLC liquid cooling to support 350 watt CPU in the 2U flow node. No CPU throttle you will see here. And you see this one doesn't occupy any PCI slots.
Wow, so you're saying that super narrow power supply lets you have more width and real estate on each server node. So then you still have room for these tubes to come out the back without blocking any of the PCIe slots.
That's right. That's the beauty of BigTwin.
So let's talk about our 2U 2-node version of the BigTwin now. Why would a customer prefer to get the 2U 2-node instead of a 4-node?
So there are more and more users like Tuno platform. The main reason is this can support the highest TDP CPU 350 watt with air cooling. This is because the 2U high space allows the taller heatsink design in. And even with a double width the GPU for AI inferencing or large language modeling. So thanks for the optimized air shell and airflow design to list the shared cooling, shared power infrastructure to make it more efficient and lower the TCO.
Wow, so you get the highest TDP CPUs, double width GPUs. Why else would somebody prefer to have a 2U2 node?
Yeah, for users are looking for storage density. So 2U2 node double the capacity of storage to make it up to 12 NVMe or 6 traditional 3.5-inch hard drive. So this is a good fit for airflow, air cooling, HPC, CDN, or the high density storage in a multi-node server.
So overall, for the BigTwin family, which users and applications, workloads would you think are the most ideal for BigTwin?
So it's ideal for HPC clusters like the cloud native and container environments, hyperscale data centers, and enterprises running HPC, dense virtualization, or software-defined storage workloads. For users who like to scale out compute and storage across the nodes, this makes it a fantastic building block solution for modern modular infrastructure.
Nice. So for customers who want to deploy the BigTwins in their data centers, what does the Supermicro do anything special to make the deployment and manageability of these systems easier?
Yes, we have made it easy. So exporting between supports Supermicro SuperCloud composers compatible with the leading orchestration tools like Kubernetes, OpenStack, and VMware. Also for system admins, remote management through the IPMI or Rafish, bias tuning, HPC mode, and all hardware monitoring function feature are all built in these systems.
Wow, so BigTwin has it all. I mean, it's a ready-to-go package, high performance, flexibility. Thank you, Alan, for this deep dive into the BigTwin product family.
Thank you, Michael, to having me today.
And thank you for attending this Supermicro Tech Talk. If you have any more questions or want more information regarding this product, our BigTwin family, or any of our other products in our portfolio, please visit supermicro.com. Thank you.
Thank you.